Hi, I'm Israel Hale. Me and my brother Joseph came here today to grab a bunch of machines from here from Delta Powersports. Um, we can't say thank you to them enough and for all they've done for us. Awesome place, awesome outfit up here. And they hooked us up with our Iron Dog sleds, which we are picking up today, along with some other ones for the rental fleet. I also run Alaska Toy Rental, ATV rental company there in Palmer, and we also rent snowmobiles and a lot of them. And we came up here to grab those and pick up our Iron Dog sleds. And we are planning on running the Iron Dog and would like everyone's support as we do it. Our purpose in doing it is to, first of all, be the first handicap amputee to ever run the Iron Dog, and to complete it. We completed the trail class in first place last year, so we're signed up for the pro class this year, and we're gonna make a good run of it. We're also in the process of raising money so that we can help other handicapped people out in the future, to get them out, to get them into the backwoods, whether it's riding snowmobile, riding ATVs, or even getting them out hunting and spending a couple of days in the woods with people that are depressed and having a hard time, and to try to really better their lives. And so that's one of the things we're doing with the money we're raising. And the name of our race team is Hale Brothers Racing, and we are looking for support and love as we begin to do this. I'm sure there'll be many videos and promotions and articles coming out about it, but we ask you guys to join us on the trail as we endeavor into this adventure. So any support, really at this point we're looking for money support. It's an expensive race, but one that we want to be an example to others to get out and keep going, and that nothing's impossible no matter what your situation is in life. So we'll see you on the trails. Snow Digger out.